I'm going to read you the ingredients of Deep Blue. It's wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, German chamomile, helichrysum, osmanthus, and helichrysum is a very expensive oil, just like frankincense. So this is a very, very, very therapeutic formula. So if you have a sore knee or a sore elbow or something, apply that as it goes around the room, just so you can get an inkling of how it works and how quickly it works. I have people that we give a little samples of that to on an arthritic wrist or something, and they're right back to get that because of how well it worked the next day. It's that effective just to try it. Okay, so that's how we want to use oregano. I have used oregano on my feet when they were cold. Just put a little bit of, say, a carrier oil like fractionated coconut, a drop of oregano, rub them together, and then rub them on your feet. And you can, you know, we used to hear that people would go snow skiing, and if their feet were cold, they could put cayenne pepper and those kind of things. Well, today oregano is very, very hot, and carried in a small little thing like this in a bag going up to ski slopes. You could put a drop of oregano and dilute it and put it on before you put your socks on. It would definitely heat your feet up, definitely. Okay? All right, here's my favorite one. This is frankincense. And frankincense is an amazing, amazing oil. It's an exclusive oil only grown in one part of the world, Oman, Jordan. Oman, Jordan. Can you imagine that? It's like a little pine tree. It's used to clean and dress minor cuts and sores. It's beautiful to be used on your skin for beauty, for radiant skin and just gorgeous, gorgeous skin. It can be applied to the bottom of your feet or taken internally to support a person's immune system. This is an amazing, amazing oil. You wonder why the three wise men, when they brought 3 gifts to the baby Jesus, 2 of those 3 gifts were essential oils, frankincense and myrrh. And I don't know how many of you have ever studied anything about why frankincense was used so widely in the world back in the Middle East from the beginning of time. But frankincense has been used for thousands and thousands of years, and it's used for inflammations. It's used for abnormal cells like cancer cells and whatnot. It was even used at the beginning of time, since the beginning of time, for STDs, syphilis, gonorrhea, herpes, all these kind of things that have been around forever. They used this way back then, okay? But what's more amazing is that I was told that there are only 2 places from outer space that you can see a man-made feature. One of them is the Wall of China that runs through China. And the second one was called the Frankincense Trail. It's called the Silk Road that runs from Oman, Jordan, 2,400 miles along the Middle East up to the port where they would ship frankincense to the world. And these real estates that have been in Oman, Jordan have been passed from the beginning of time, from father to son and family to family. And these frankincense orchards of pine trees, I mean, this stuff sells better than gold. I mean, one of these little bottles, wholesale $63. I sell them in my health food stores for $93 for frankincense pure. All right? And people buy it all the time for skin cancers. They're buying it for skin diseases. They're buying it for what it does to make skin beautiful. They buy it for many, many reasons, but the thing you want to remember is that it's been used from the beginning of time. And these little pine trees, it's a little white tar, it's a little white resin that comes off the tree and runs down, just like a pine tar.